Hey Curious Minds, Kevin here. I was sent a very cool video by a very special person telling me about their inspiration for space and then asking me a couple space questions. So check this out.
How's it going, everyone? It's Lance Bass here, and I got into space at a very young age. I went to space camp when I was young, but before that, my grandfather and my dad are the ones who really got me looking up. They took me to my first shuttle launch in Florida when I was like 7 or 8 years old. And since then, I was obsessed. I knew I wanted to become an astronaut. Something real fun that I think you should know is how fast things are flying up there. The International Space Station goes over 17,000 miles an hour. Imagine 17,000 miles an hour. That's pretty fast. And I would like to ask a question too, because I would love to learn more about how fast it does take to get to certain places in the universe. Say, how long would it take us to get from Earth to Mars? And then how long would it take us to get from Earth to the closest star to us? So yeah, maybe you can give us a lesson on that. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you later.
Thank you, Lance. Those are awesome questions. So for getting to Mars, it's going to take us between 6 to 9 months with robots or humans. So we haven't sent humans yet, but when we do, it'll take about 6 months to get there. And then we need to come home, right? So that's another 6 months. We want to stay on the surface for a while. So let's add 2 months in there. So we're looking at like 14 months round trip to get us humans to Mars and back home. Now the closest star, that's our sun, but we're talking about Proxima Centauri. So that's the closest star outside of our solar system. Now we're looking at going at the speed of light, the fastest you can possibly go, 300,000 kilometers a second. We can get there in 4.2 years. Yeah, it's very far away. It is 42 trillion kilometers away. So it's going to take some time. So whether you're going to Mars or you want to go to Proxima Centauri, you're going to need to bring a lot of snacks and probably a book too, because it's going to take forever to get there.